Hello everyone, I'm so excited to be here. As a computer vision and graphics engineer, it's been amazing, pushing boundaries and helping this industry advance. I've spent 2 decades in this industry and have never been more inspired by the potential of this technology. With Qualcomm, Google, and all of you, we will transform XR and the entire mobile industry. Mobile isn't just about smartphones anymore. Mobile experiences now include wearable, hearables, and why we are here today, XR. To build a new Android XR platform, we set up on a collaboration as one team, with experts from computer vision, graphics, machine learning, all working together with a single spirit to co-design, test, and create the new operating system from the ground up. In building this new OS with Google, we defined 3 core values to create a platform that brings the meaningful change in your daily lives. First, a platform that allows customizable, boundless visual content to provide an immersive viewing experience on a vast display. Second, a platform that lives with AI technology with the most natural and comfortable communication method, such as hands, eyes, and voice. Finally, a platform that pursues open collaboration with existing Android, OpenXR, VR, and mobile AR communities. The first device we designed for Android XR platform is the headset. We see headset as a great starting point because they have unique capabilities that unlock a whole new way to interact with the technology. I'm very excited to present the first device designed for Android XR. Project Moohan. Thank you. Thank you. Moohan means infinity in Korean because XR will deliver unparalleled, immersive experiences in a truly infinite space. Let's take a look.
Can you take me here?
Okay, let me take you there.
How do you like it? Thank you. With a full field of view, high-resolution display, and immersive spatial audio, you will feel deeply engaged in whatever you're doing. You can naturally and instantly interact with the content with all the tools you need right in front of you. Pointing, touching, gazing, and even talking. Again, with a limitless canvas, rich content, and natural, real-time interaction, Moohan excels at providing context for Gemini. We believe that the Android XR with Moohan opens up an entirely new way to bring AI into your life and interact with the digital and physical world. Can't wait to show you right now. Let's see how it actually works. Here's Max and Catherine.
Thanks, Kyuan. Hey, everyone.
Catherine and I are so excited to show you what we've been building behind the scenes with Android XR. I'm actually wearing the first device powered by the platform today, built in close collaboration with Samsung. We're thrilled to show you live what it's like to experience Android XR and some of what you can do with the platform. Let's dive in.
Hey Max. As you can see, the Android XR experience starts grounded in the real world, thanks to crystal clear pass-through and rich displays.
Hey Gemini, can you bring up my trip planner for me? Awesome. Up here, you see an indicator to see that Gemini is active and in a multimodal conversational experience.
And just like that, the familiar 2D Android applications that you know and love from mobile and tablet are available within Android XR. They actually exist within spatial windows, allowing you to move and resize them with ease. This is all backed by natural input like gaze and hands that's powered by best-in-class perception algorithms. Developers can opt to take this one step further though, optionally using our new spatial APIs to reimagine existing content and experiences for Android XR, like Google TV here has done. But Max, we could probably spend all day figuring out what to watch. I thought you wanted to get a head start on that trip planning.
Yes, good point, Catherine. I am a bit behind on my trip planning to Florence. You know, I'm not the biggest art fan, but I feel like I should go to at least one of these places, but I want to check it out inside first. Hey Gemini, can you show me VR 180 videos of this place?
Sure, I can help with that.
We're incredibly excited for Gemini on Android XR that will power a new type of conversational multimodal experience. Gemini will supercharge YouTube on this platform, not only its existing corpus of 2D content, but also spatial videos, like the one Max here is watching. Okay, Max, let me know what you're thinking. I know you said you're not the biggest art fan, but this is breathtaking.
Yeah, this is stunning. I mean, there's art on the ceiling. I definitely want to come here, but I want to check out the neighborhood first. Hey Gemini, can you take me to this place?
Sure, let me pull up Palazzo Vecchio on the map for you.
Perfect. Gemini is able to open 2D apps like Maps as well, with deep intents. But we can go one step further. Maps is connected to a full immersive view experience, letting you explore the planet in stunning 3D from a whole new perspective. This is built in Unity, and Unity, OpenXR, and WebXR developers will be able to create amazing immersive experiences just like this. This is stunning, Catherine.
Yeah, and is that the Duomo I spot back there? It was one of my favorite places when I visited Florence last summer.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. Gemini, what's the importance of this place?
That's the Florence Cathedral, also known as the Duomo. It's famous for its iconic dome, designed by Filippo Brunelleschi. It's one of the largest brick domes ever constructed, and a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture.
Okay, this is amazing. I definitely have to visit here, but I want to find some restaurants nearby. I'm feeling seafood.
Okay, Max, hear me out. Florence isn't exactly known for its seafood. Maybe it's steak, but I'm sure we could find a place in New York. Maybe we could take the team here tonight if you're feeling seafood.
Oh, cool, I've heard of this place, but I've never been. Hey Gemini, can you take me to this restaurant?
Sure, I can take you to the Clam in New York.
Perfect, it looks close by, but Catherine, you actually had the idea to come here, so why don't you take a look and let me know what you think?
Yeah, I'd love to check it out.
As you can see, Gemini is able to reason based on things it sees in the real world. Also, we're working closely with Samsung to make the device as shareable as possible. What do you think, Catherine?
Okay, this seems like the perfect spot. It's right next to one of Google's newest offices, but I'm a vegetarian, so Gemini, what are the vegetarian options on the menu?
Let me have a look at their menu. It looks like they have a few vegetarian options, including roasted cauliflower, burrata, and their lovely autumn salad with pumpernickel crisp.
Yeah, this place looks perfect. Let's lock it in for tonight. But also, our colleague Azir is going to be there tonight, and he just shared an album from this world tour he got back on. Can you bring up photos and we'll take a look before we see him?
Hey Gemini, organize my windows.
I can help you with that.
The Photos experience on Android XR is incredible. You can view your 2D photos and videos on the rich displays, but we can go one step further, automatically spatializing any photo or video you've ever taken on any device to give you this feeling of stepping in and reliving these memories. What do you think, Catherine?
Yeah, well, it's like I'm watching the sunrise, but it makes me want to try one fun thing. Hey Gemini, I'm going to show you a couple of photos, and then I'd like you to create a poem based on them. You ready?
I'd love to try that. I'm excited to see the photos and create a poem based on them.
Okay, work your magic.
A fiery dawn, a mountain's peak, where clouds ignite and shadows sleep. A banyan's roots, a tangled maze, where sunlight filters through the haze. Two souls entwined, a canyon's grace, a river's curve, a timeless space. In nature's art, we find our peace. A moment held, a sweet release.
And I think that's the perfect place to end it.
Yeah. As you can see, this is just a brief glimpse of what's possible to build and experience with Android XR. This is going to be the first headset with Gemini built right in, giving you these conversational, helpful, and sometimes even playful experiences, both to help you learn and control the system.
And though Gemini has access to your full spatial context, it's built with Google's leading privacy standards, meaning you'll always know, both when it's on and when it has access to your screen.
But I bet you're all curious, how do you get started building for Android XR? With that, we're excited to invite Matthew McCullough onto the stage to tell you a bit more about getting started on the platform. Thank you.